He's either in the sunlight or in under the trees in the deep shade. It's making it rough on me. But he hasn't left. He let me put out more food and didn't run away. Oh, I'd give anything for him to come up to that near spot. And I know he won't do like many of the other deer and come walking right past me to get to the fire ring, but one of these days, maybe by the end of summer or fall, maybe you will. I hope. I just have such an affinity for him. For one thing, he's the only buck right now. And he was an orphan. We were doing the same thing yesterday. You just have to keep walking in front of my shot of him, don't you? Can you lift your head up, Bambi, so we can get a better look at you? No? Chainsaw the mower. Guy can't make enough noise, I guess. Doesn't seem to be bothering the deer, though. I'm sure they hear mowers and chainsaws and all sorts of stuff. Well, obviously they do, because it's not bothering them a bit. The motion, the movement would be more troubling to them than the sound, I think. Let's see how this goes. Old girl's coming in there and gonna push him out of there. Yep. It's alright, buddy. It's alright. Oh, that's beautiful. Look right at. Oh, that's nice. Oh, she's gonna kick him out of there too. Golly. Well, he's a fighter. He's been putting up with this his whole life. Ever since he got orphaned. Whoops. Dang it. I was watching him and not the viewfinder again. Dang it. Go ahead. Go on. It's alright. Oh, what's the matter? I think that's Mama, and she's been really concerned since I drug that old mower out here. She doesn't like it. She's really one of the boldest ones, but that mower is really bothering her, that red lawn mower. She won't go over there because of it. Pretty sure that's what it is. I can't imagine what else it could be. That's the only thing that's different. It's okay, buddy. I'm basically just talking to myself, although I'm going to pretend it's narration. It's okay, buddy. Oh, I lit a cigarette. See, smoking is bad. Smoking is bad. Damn it. Oh, dang it. Oh, somebody else was leaving too. Paris, I guess. All right. I'll tell the story of that down tree another time. I watched it come down, I'll tell you that much.